Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And there is a new G-Space application in the app gallery. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and how to modify it with Google Play icon hack. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't miss my second channel, Fonte Shorts, as well. So, without further ado, let's get started. This is a brand new phone from Huawei. As you can see, it runs EMUI 12, but let's go, open app gallery and search for G-Space. Tap on it. This is the application and tap on install. Okay. We have installed the G-Space application from App Gallery, but now you have to open my website. The link is in the description of this video, bros. So go to the description and there is a link. Tap on that link and the link takes you to my website, to this site. And on this site, scroll a bit down. Scroll a bit down until you see this Stahujte G-Space 1.0.5 with a Google Play icon hack. Tap on it. Tap on it. It will open MediaFire page. Tap on this big blue button. And tap on download right here. As you can see, the G-Space icon Phonetech file is now downloading into this beautiful EMUI 12 device. I can tell you what device this is, but you know. So now you have to search for files application. This one, open it. Phone. Search for download. This one, browser. And hold the finger on this file. For that's right here. Extract to. Leave it as it is, sorry. And tap on OK, tap on yes, and now this is the extracted file, so tap on it, and now it's time to open G-Space, this one, tap on start, allow, and tap on continue, brothers, and now we have to wait. This is so far the best version of G-Space, and this application is officially available in Huawei App Gallery, so this is very beautiful. And now the app is loading, as you can see. We are almost there. Yes, we are here, but we need the Google Play icon hack. So go back, again files. Now install this shortcut maker. Tap on allow and no threads found. And tap on install, tap on open, got it, go back. And now it's time to tap on this G-Space shortcut, so tap on it. Now other, right here, swipe and shortcut maker, tap on always, create shortcut, add, and we are almost done. Now tap on play, G-Space. So Google Play icon right here. We have some advertisement here. It's okay. Tap on sign in. And from here you can sign in with your Google account. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google. So 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the account is added. So tap on next. More. Accept. And as you can see, we have a fully working Google Play on this still unreleased Huawei phone. And as you can see, there is also Google Play Protect turned on, and this feature protects this device from harmful applications. And from here, of course, you can download everything you want. So in my case, I'm gonna download YouTube, of course. Tap on install, and the YouTube application will be installed on into this beautiful device. You can download Google Chrome, you can download Google Drive, you can download Facebook, you can download everything, Messenger, WhatsApp application. So the YouTube is downloaded, so tap on OK, open right here. And we have YouTube. So I'm gonna show you, this is my primary account. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe now, brothers. And of course, FormTech Shorts, another 130 subscribers, 27 videos. Shorts videos is future, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. So this was how to download and install the newest G-Space application from Huawei App Gallery, and how to modify it, how to hack it with the Google Play icon hack. So you can, of course, hold the finger on this icon and move it here. And on the main page of this Huawei still unreleased phone, we have a Google Play icon, and I can tap on it. This is the advertisement, that's okay. And after a while, I can use Google Play on this uncertified Huawei device. So don't forget to subscribe, brothers. Stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out, brothers. I love you. Thank you so much.